ERC20 also be a like a contract, but they have a standard for tokens. Like example, if you are creating a use case, like array of students, that students you are going to allocate a amount, though show that balances are you can manipulate with your contract itself. The concept, but they are making as a standard. ERC20 standard. Standard means they are following some terms. Terms means total supply. Total supply means how much count you are going to create a tokens. Let's say if you are in a shop, you are going to create a physical token like 100 or 20 coins. Okay, the same like you are going to do in ERC20. So total supply is used for creating a count. Let's show that what is the main important thing in ARC20. Name and symbol. The name and symbol are used for identifying your ERC20 token. How you are going to identify your ERC20 token means, let's open Etherscan. Okay, I am just moving to top ERC20, or else I am going to type like what is it, bat. Your name is find it here. If you are creating your own tokens, you can find it like Tron, Tronix is there. So this is how the name is useful in ERC20 token. And then name and symbol. Symbol is that TRX. Name is the your token name. Okay. And then next thing is total supply is mandatory. Total supply means if you are creating like Mahendra token, 1 lakh count. So you can utilize that 1 lakh count with every person. You can transfer within the 1 lakh. Okay. So the total supply is used only for just like a counts of token. Okay. And then decimals. Decimals means if you are entering like yeah, 1 ether equal to content colors. 1 ether equal to 18 decimals, because that V converter you can see ether to V. 1 ether equal to this much of V. This is 18 decimals. So by default that ERC20s will take 18 decimal points. Okay. So this is how the decimals will work. Decimals is a uint, and then name and symbol are string. Okay. Let's see transfer event. Before that, we will cross check with the real time tokens. So now I work token TRX. In this token, we will read the contract like name, total supply you can see, and then decimals he is entered like 6 decimals up to after that points. Okay, and then balance of means if you have it, that point I will explain later. Name, total supply, decimals. Okay, and then if you open another one token, duplicate. If you want to see the contract, just click the contract address. It will open the contract address. Then you can see contract. Inside the contract, you can see that specification. Okay, let's open another token like bat. Bat is now I have a balance in bat. Let me open. I have a balance in my wallet. Bat token. Let's show that read contract name, total supply, decimal, symbol. Okay, every ERC20 have these specifications. This is for a standard for every ERC20. Okay. Is there any doubt regarding that decimals, total supply, symbols, name and symbols? Anyone have a doubt? My voice is clear. But if you can try to open your Etherscan, you can identify that names are there or not. Wait, for this creating a bat, you no need to know about solidity. You just copy pasted like real time tokens. You just move any of the token, click contract, okay, and then you can see the contract. Okay, just copy it and then paste it in your local, and then just rename that name, symbol, decimal, and then total supply. That's enough for creating a token. That I will explain later. Total supply discussed. Transfer. This is for a event. If you are doing any blockchain transactions in a contract level, you can create a events. Let's see. In this contract, we will select one transaction like ERC20 transaction. Okay, I'm opening this. See the logs. Inside the logs, the transfer is happened between this account to this account with quantity of 5 lakhs, I think so. You can see that he transferred 5. So the decimal is like he put it like 6, I think so. Okay, you can see that here also the logs also it will be different. This statement will work for printing a logs events. Okay, and then balance of how they are maintaining balances. Let's say if you are giving any address here, address to event means, let's say my Ethereum address is like yeah, this is my Ethereum address. The key value, like key value, my Ethereum address have 100 tokens, 100 Mahendra token, Mahendra token. Let's say another one address like Kannan address like 0x blah blah blah. Then he have 1000, sorry, 10 Mahendra token. Okay, this is how here the data type is stored in mapping. Okay, I think you guys already play with mapping, so you can understand easily. And then this is what simple token contract. But in this, there is no transfer. There is no how we can transfer this token means we will see that further. Transfer nothing. Transfer is I am having 100. This is just copying and pasting here. I am transferring two address. Okay, value two address means I am giving Kannan account. Okay, and then message that sender they are getting my Ethereum address, so they are checking my balance is greater than a value. If it is means they are the require function will allow. Okay, otherwise the require will revert a error. I am checking my balance. Message that sender means I am calling that transfer function. So balance of my address is 1000 rupees. I will delete this. Okay, 1000 Mahendra token, and then I am going to subtract. Subtract means I am going to transfer Arun transfer uh, 5 Mahindra token to condenser. Okay, so what it happens means it will minus this 5, so it will come like 995 Mahindra token, and then he will get plus 5, so it will come 15. The same concept he is writing, just addition. He is doing that sender, he is doing subtraction in sender address, deducting from the sender address, and then he is just adding to the recipient account. That's all. This is what transfer. This is how that tokens are transferred. Here, these events, these remakes, or everything will understand. Oh, this transaction contains token transfer. They are identifying with this. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts up to this? This is simple. Just adding just I am subtracting and then adding the count only, not Ethereum. Okay, this is the main thing. Just numbers only updating. Any doubt up to transfer? Here is some few concepts only in ERC20. Easily can everyone understand. No need to write a code. Just copy paste that functionalities. That's all. Anyone have a doubt? Decimal, like let's see. We saw the transactions. Wait. Yeah. In this, he fixed like 6 decimal. Okay, 6 decimal means it's like if you are in, they transfer 5 tron token. Okay, let's see the law. 5 means, but he is putting like how many zeros? 2, 4, 6. For if you want to see that in your system, I will paste that. So 6 decimals only allowing. 6 decimal equal to 1 token. Okay, let's say how it will be built means, if like let take Makendra. Okay, I am entering three decimals, like decimals equal to 3 I am setting. Okay, 3 means I can enter. If I want to transfer 5 Maga token to Magendra token to condenser means I need to give an input like 5000. That's all. This is what I need to give in every places. This is what the decimal. Understand? Yeah. Is there any doubt other than that? We need to move some just 2 or 3 functions in ERC20, and then you can create a ERC20 token for yourself. You can use this token in your college campus or anywhere. Let's say one token equal to this much of amount. You can credit in your student's account. They can use that tokens into your food court or any places with a blockchain. Any other than that? Any doubts? Up to transfer is fine. Shall we move on? Yeah, yeah, fine. Thank you. This is transfer, and then delegation means like I will show. This is direct transfer. Here I made direct transfer, but I will say there is 2 parties involving. Like I am allocating 10 tokens for condenser. He can anytime withdraw the 10 tokens. Okay, let's say I am giving 10 tokens. Okay, 10 tokens to condenser. Okay, here the transaction does not happen. Tokens are not transferred, but he is he can utilize that 10 tokens after 2 days or 3 days. Okay, once he approves for spending, he can use transfers. This is what the concept. Okay, let's see. For this approval means you are going to approve 10 count. Like you can see that event, this event also needed in every ERC20 transaction. They are showing with this events only: owner address, spender address, value. Okay, they are giving allowance like mapping address of address means array of Arun, array of Kanan equal to some amount like 10 maha token. Okay, so Kanan can utilize my 10 tokens. That is the meaning. Okay, let's say if you are moving allowance, here he is approving means he is just allocating the value like Arun Kannan 10 Mahir. This is what message that sender is me, spender is Kannan sir. He is he is setting the value. Okay, this is what happening approval side. Once it is approved, Kannan sir will use transfer from function. Okay, condenser will use transfer from function. In this transfer from function, he will give my address and then two address means like let's say what is the name of any participants, let's say Nihar. Okay, I'm taking Nihar as example. Now condenser need to transfer this 10 to Nihar, so he will this place, this is same will happen like, and then transfer then Mahar to Nihar. Okay, this is what happened. The same transfer function, subtracting addition will happen here. Let's see the value they are checking. He have a balance or not. Actually, here the transaction not happen. Here, this step transaction does not, token transfer is not happen. This place only the transfer will happen. Okay, but we are collecting from my wallet like Arun wallet. Okay, so we are checking the value present in Arun's account or not. Okay, so I am checking greater than or equal to, and then I am checking value. If I allocated amount is he is entered same or not. If he enter like 20, it will be reverted. So I am entering 10. So this condition also get passed, and then balance of, we need to reduce that amount in my wallet like Arun wallet. So I am going to reduce it like, I'm going to reduce 10. 10 means 85. Okay. Kanan sir account will be the same. Why? Because he is reducing from my account. Okay. And then balance adding to the Nihar. Nihar does not have any balances. So he is getting new balance. Let's say Nihar getting Nihar account like 0x747 SDD. Okay. And then he is getting 10 AHA tokens. Okay, and then allowance also we need to empty. Why? Because here we are set it like, we need to update this as 0. Why? Because we don't need to, we are already spent this amount, so we need to subtract that value. Here the value is subtracted. So this is like normal transfer. Arun transferring to Nihar. So from address is Arun, to address is Nihar. The value is like 10 mega. Sorry. This is what transfer from. Did you guys understand? I think I moved fastly. Transfer from is fine, right? Just you are giving access for some limit of count, so that person can transfer to anyone with that allowance limit. That is what transfer from. Any doubts?
Participants, please respond if there or not.
Yeah. One more. Nothing. If you up to transfer is understand, right? Up to transfer is fine. Can I know the difference between contract and token? Uh, let explain yeah, Prasad answer. Prasad question. That is you are asking fully. Okay, wait. May can I know the difference between contract and token? Nothing. Contract also be a token also be a contract. Okay. Let's say you can see the contract. Same, but they are maintaining these three these three standard symbol, name, total supply, and then decimals. This is what the property for ERC20 token. Okay. Who does limits do? Yeah. Let's explain that. You see that image. I think here, yeah. If you are doing any transaction, you see that emit this log, right? The log does not trigger. You are define that event in top of the file. How to trigger that event with this emit? Okay. If you're calling this emit transfer, it will call events. This event. You are specifying address event. Okay. Here also you will give address event. So the while calling the function, the event will be triggered. So that event will be registered on blockchain. You can see in the transaction, you can see the logs, you can see the transfer event triggered. And then what else you are asked? Explain once more. You can yeah. Let me explain this point from starting it. ERC20 also be a contract. In this, there is a some standard functionality is there like name, symbol, total supply, transfer from approve. These are common standard for ERC20s. Okay, let's say name and then symbol used for searching your tokens. Let's say if you want to search anything like ABC, the tokens will be visible based on your names in etherscan. Okay, and then total supply is for how much tokens you are going to create. That is what total supply. Okay, decimal means how much decimals equal to one token for your one token. Let's say 18 decimal means you have to input 18 decimal. If you giving 3 decimal means, let's say I want to transfer 12 tokens means 12 three zeros. This is what decimal. And then transfer is nothing but there is one map for balance of. Here I am maintaining map like array of objects. You can see that. Okay, in that my address have 100 Magendra. This map is balance of map. Okay, let's say I have 100 Magendra, and then Kanan sir have 10 Magendra. Okay, in this map, still now there is a two members. Okay, and then here this is for standard. If you deploy this contract also, it will be a ERC20 standard. Okay, and then transfer. transfer means just you are updating these values only. Like here we are inputted, right? If you are decreasing means it will show my balance has decreased. If you increase condenser balance as 10, it will increase. Okay, that is what transfer. ERC20 could be, you can not only supply chain, you can use anywhere. If your use case is mm, yeah. Wait, first I will respond to what is the difference between smart contract and this one, sir. This is also smart contract. Just standard is the difference. Like other contracts does not have a symbol, name, total supply, right? But in this contract, you have to, if you are creating ERC20, you have to mention symbol and then name and then total supply. Okay, let answer to ERC20 could be used in supply chain. Based on your use case, you can utilize these tokens. Okay. As of now, prices for the token, there is no price for a token. You can set your token prices. Okay. If you are involving in a real world any project, you can get the prices like stock market. Okay. Let's see how the stocks is getting price increased means if somebody buys 5 rupees and then another person buy 10 rupees means that stock price will be a 10. So they same like I have a bad token. Okay, bad token like this much, and then in activity you can see that mm, yeah, here I made one transaction in Ethereum. Okay, you can see the blockchain transaction ID. I'm opening this. You can see that I transfer this 2.5 baht to my this account. Okay, my account baht to this account. Okay, you can create your use case by your own self. Okay, how you are going to involve this ERC20 tokens, that's up to you. And then if you are implementing this in your colleges or any institutions, like let's say you are giving one token equal to 5 INR. Okay, 5 Indian rupees. Let's say in for a 10 or 20 sorry, 1 or 2 years after the token get rotated frequently, so somebody does not get this token easily. So that time that guy will purchase the token from someone like 6 rupees, 6 INR or 7 INR based on that. Also, somebody will give, I am going to leave this institution, so I don't want this token. You can get it from 2 rupees also. So that guy can get one token equal to 2 rupees also. Okay. This is how the price will increase in a stock market and then a token. This is like supply and demand. Ah, renewable energy trading platform where energy information payment transaction are taking place. Can we apply this ERC20 tokens? Yeah, you can use the ERC20 tokens. That depends upon your use cases. What difference between smart contract and this one, sir? Here, that is I am explaining. Normal smart contract does not have any standards, but ERC20 have a standard like symbol. This is the symbol, name, total supply, decimal, transfer, balance of, transfer from, approve. These functions are common for every ERC20 token. If you not have this means you are not created any ERC20. Okay, that is like a simple contract. Okay, transfer from I explain. Mm, what happened? Any more types of contracts? ERC20, ERC720, and then you can see that, but maximum using ERC20 and then ERC721. Okay, let's search Ethereum. ERC tokens. There is lot of improvement protocols also there, but maximum ERC20 will be every users will use. ERC20 is for a token, ERC720 for asset. Okay, the same type you can see that ERC721. Just click that any tokens, you can see the total supply and then addresses. But here there is no prices for every ERC721. Let's say if you want to read the contract, you can see that. Check contracts. Just copy paste in your remix and then verify this how the ERC 721 is rated. But maximum ERC 20 is enough. That ERC 721 is used for assets like flats, apartments, or also that pits. This kind of only they are using. And then this is what simple ERC 20 token contract. Let we deploy this in our network, and then we can see. Okay. Anyone have a doubt, or anyone ask a doubt? Link. If you want this link, I will share this link. Hmm. Intra token. Go to deploy my intra token. Intra. Rating. And then total supply I am specifying as a decimal says int. So mm, that's all. Transfer from approve. Transfer is there. Okay. Let's see this. Let's edit this compiler 5.0. What happened? We need to change the compiler version. 0.5 means 17. Okay. What is the error? So we need to make it as constructor. So you can see that in that 4, I think this article rated in, I think 2018. So that time you can see the compiler version. They are using constructor as the contract name. Okay. So, but I am using 5.0. 5.0 we need to set like constructor. Okay. That's why I am not giving any materials. You have to refer your official website so that you can get latest updated. Okay. If you have any doubt, you have to refer your solidity.io, that this website only. They will update every year. Sorry, every month, every days also they can modify the versions. Okay. Some contracts are rated in old versions. You can see that. Okay. So if it is 0.4.11, don't worry, just click the compiler and then change your compiler version up to that. What is that? 4.11. Okay, so 4.11 means you have to select 4.11. Yeah, 4.11 is here. So just click it and then load it. Okay, but I am selecting 5. Okay, just deploy this on MetaMask. I am selecting that contract. Just clicking. created. Yeah, I shared this. So I think it is coming partially. Let's, you can get up to this link also. My contract is success. So yeah, my contract is created. I'm just copy, but I'm this is showing like contract. Let's say Robston.Victor scan. I entered my token name is symbol is Mahendra. Okay. See, my Mahendra token is there. Just click it. You can see that what is that address C1, right? You can see the address C1 decimals. Folder is me. Okay. You can see the count. Total supply is this much. Okay. Let's see. We can add this into our MetaMask. MetaMask will show the balance of token. Hmm, let's see. Assets, add a token, search like Mahindra, custom tokens. Just click custom tokens, add token, custom token. I am entering just address. So the standard is symbol and push name and then decimal. This is automatically fetching. Okay. If you are entering another contracts like Lobster, mm, contract transactions, I am fetching. This is the contract address. I'm just copying. Okay. Add token, custom add token. If you are entering this, okay, you can see that this is not loading if you are entering contract. But if you are entering token contract, it will fit easily. That is what ERC20 standard. Add token, custom token. I'm adding this. I am getting the symbol. Next, you can see one Mahendra. Okay, let's see the contract. What they are rated. So they are entering that total supply into my balance. Okay, so let transfer. You guys also can add this address into your MetaMask. I share this address. Just click MetaMask, add token. Just click add token, custom token. Then click simple. It will load. Then add tokens. It will show your balances. Okay, here it will show. Okay, in your wallet it will show like zero. Why? Because you does not have my tokens, right? That's why it is showing zero. Save it and then share your contract, sorry, share your account address. I will transfer some tokens so you can see your Mahendra token balance. Just share your address, I will transfer. Now, hello. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please share your Ethereum addresses. I can transfer. I think you can see that Magendra token I transferred. Click this condenser account. You can see the balances. Like here, you can see the balances. Yeah, just try this with your okay. In in additional, some concepts is there. I will explain that. Okay. Just try with this contract, ERC20 contract. I will explain additional things. Okay. Just try this up to 110. Okay. Up to 110. Try with this. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay. You can see my balance. It is reduced. Hmm. 10 shared to condenser and then 10 shared to Madam, yeah, Lakshmi Madam. 15 shared to Lakshmi Madam. Yeah. Condenser and then Lakshmi Madam will get token in their Robston. Sorry, MetaMask. Okay. Just try to deploy your own token and then try to transfer with my account. Okay, this is my account. So transfer some tokens and then give your token addresses so I can add it in my MetaMask. This is my images. Yeah, yeah, Magendra is it. I am created a symbol like Magendra. By yourself, you can edit Magendra. I am put it like Magendra. In the you can place it like your name also. Okay. Just create and then share your tokens to my address. Just take your time up to 110. Just under the concepts and then just try to transfer. So I can't specify the sending token to someone else. Mm. Where you are asking? This is your address you are saying. I not transfer any tokens. Please. Yeah, you can send entire 15 also. Let I will transfer tokens to you. Mm, send like 30 tokens. First, send. Send. Now three members have a balance in years it into. You can see that maximum quantity is my account, and then condenser account, and sorry, this is condenser account, and then this is Lakshmi Madam account. Then now I transfer one more account. It will show four. Let's wait for that transaction complete. Yeah, that is done. It will show. I think the transaction is completed. It will show later on also. Here you can see which function is called transfer. Then method ID. This is the transfer of get value. Then this is the address. This is the value. Okay, you can see the input data with the decoded value. Okay, let's try someone also. Just try to deploy your own contract and then one token and then play with it. Just try your own. Just copy paste this code into Remix and then deploy it into Ropsten. If you are facing any issues while deployment, let me know. Will it cost any transaction fees as soon as we deploy? Yeah, if you are doing any action in a blockchain, it will be a costly. Like action means if you are doing any storage operation, like storing anything in a blockchain or yeah, deployment also will be storing some data into blockchain. I don't transact. I did not transact. Can you share your contract address? I mean that ERC20 address. Sir, we have to deploy the contract in injected Web3 or JavaScript VM. No, you have to select that injected Web3. Injected Web3, it will take your MetaMask environment like option. You need this window. Like, you can see the window. Where to put receiver address? I want to know where you are in. Then only I can see where you are in. Let's say you are deployed your contract, it will show the contract here. You can perform the transfer here also. Like let's say share your address, Ethereum address. You can perform here also, or else you can perform MetaMask itself. There is a two options. Okay, MetaMask also giving a send option. Okay, the same like Ethereum transfer. Or else if you want to transfer with contract calls, you can use contracts calls. Previous session I showed a demo with Web3.js, right? A contract. You can also use that Web3.js for interfacing this token contract and then front end also. Yes, MetaMask is connected. Yeah, thank you.
So,
Hello. Yeah.
uh, actually, what I did was, sir, you told me to try for having our own name tokens, right? So I
Yeah.
just copied and pasted that in the emails, and
Let
thereafter I
Let
made a
me show
change.
that I am what you did means you were just copied and then pasted here. Just pasted.
Yeah,
There
and
is a
even the
compiler
version I
version.
didn't change. I didn't change the version. Wherein in that compiler, that is while compiling, I
Okay.
changed to 4.11. Wherein what the mistake I made was in one line, that is, can you?
Let me create the file. What
Okay,
you
okay.
did? just copy this, okay, and then paste it here,
Pasted
right?
here as such,
Yeah,
and
it will show the
instead
error.
of the symbol value, no, I didn't compile it. I changed the symbol to my name.
Okay, okay.
So
Your
instead of
name
set, I
is,
gave Sivalakshmi.
what is your name is Lakshmi? Yeah.
Sivalakshmi.
Shiva. I am creating a symbol like Shiva. Okay,
Okay.
and then what else?
And now I found
Shiva
out.
token.
Okay.
Okay.
So okay, there also I should make a change, right?
Yeah, you can change. In this ERC20, I
Oh,
can create a token name with your name also. Okay, I am also can
okay.
create. You can differentiate with your contract address only. That is the main thing.
So
Let's
if I'm
see.
going to make a change over there, now function simple ERC is there, sir. There I should make a change again, right?
Yeah, you have to change. Why? Because this is older compiler. If you change this compiler here, what is the version? 0.4.21.
11. Oh, this is 21.
This is 21, right? If you need to see that, I will
1.
zoom.
Okay.
It is compiling. It is not giving any error, right? Yeah, it is not giving any error. You can see.
Okay, I'll check it again, sir. Okay, sir.
If you are using latest version, you have to check solidity document for what are the changes we need to do. If you use 5.0, it will raise an error. Why? Because the compiler we need to modify as 5.17. I modified. Okay, that it will show this constructor. We need to type as constructor. Okay, so it will compile correctly. Yeah, this is compiled. Okay, he did transaction. Nice. See. Yeah, fine. What is that? Token transferred from. This is for creating a contract. Oh, you are interact. What is that? 000.
So,
This is yours. The Yatika Prasad. I think. What is this? Address is showing 000.
so
Sorry. Hello.
am I audible, sir?
Yeah, I am audible.
Yeah, okay. So after compiling it, so has to view my token. What is the next procedure in MetaMask?
Just click. Have you deployed the contract?
Now I'm
Just
going to say because if I shift to that window, I can't do this.
okay. Just compiled it. Once compile is completed, just move to bottom. There is a,
Okay.
just click this. There is icon
Okay.
for a deploy, and then click on deploy. He has done some transaction, but it is showing 0 address. How you have the enough balance? Yasik, sorry, name is Yatika Prasad. Okay, token tracker. It is showing your token. This is contract. Let's open your contract token. It shows 1,000 yards. Sorry, this much of yards. You have 100 balance. It is showing the balance to your wallet, MetaMask wallet. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Any other doubts? No need to study that code. Just learn what is transfer from. That's all. Okay, let's see. Another one topic is there. I will complete that one. Okay. My total supply equal to I created 100. I want to increase my total supply. How we can do? Just increasing this value. Okay, so search ERC20 mint. Here there is a function called mint. Mint means nothing. You are going to add additional. Like if it say if I added 100 plus 100 equal to 200 count. Later on the token we don't have enough token means we can generate total count as another 200. Let's say plus 1000 count I am adding means it will come 1200. You can add. Okay, the contract owner will be add. So here the mint is the one function. Here they are adding total supply dot amount. Which amount you are sharing, like how much amount of token. Let's say you are going to not add it into total supply as well as you are going to add total supply as well as sum of the account. Why? Because if we defining contract level the total supply are defined in one of the person address, you can see. Okay, so this count also will be set it into some other person. You can see that total balance I increased as let's take this scenario. Total supply increased, and then I need to increase that map. That map is balances. I think the contract. What is the balance of balance of variable is there, and balance of Arun plus equal to what is the count? Again 100, right? Again 100. So it will increase my account value. Okay, this is called mint. And then burn means you can do subtraction also here. So subtraction means you can reduce the token count. It is like a simple mathematical operation, but if you are doing with standard ERC20 standard, it will comes as a ERC20 token. Okay, this is fine. Mint and then burn is there. You can see here they are doing subtraction total supply and then balances. They are doing subtractions. This is burn. Any other doubts? Approve rest of them. Say if you are going to do a contract development, please refer this. Right, they have a write a clean and neat code. I shared right for mint and then a burn. Burn means you are going to subtract. Mint means you are going to minting. I think I completed ERC20. Thanks for everyone. Thanks for giving these opportunities to Kannan sir and then our management.